What up, people? I am doing this video so that you guys could see how to put these cat ears from helmetupgrades.com. Decals, there's different colors. I like the red one, but there's also it also comes with other ones if you want these colors, and they go right here. You just push them out of here. I'll show you all that, but you put them here, and yeah, it makes them look dope. I got this helmet here I'm gonna use, and then this has 3M tape at the bottom. You just peel this off, and you're gonna pop it on there, and I'll show you all that. They also come off pretty easily. I'm not gonna pull mine off just because I don't want to do that, but they literally just pop off. They're not going to fall off in traffic if you're driving or anything like that. You can go pretty fast with these on because they have holes in them so the air could just go through. And these decals, they have holes in them too. So I got these wipes off Amazon, the adhesion promoter wipes for the cleaning of the ears. But the reason I'm wearing gloves right now, which I would just recommend just to be safe, because they put all this on here. It says warning cancer and reproductive harm. And it has this little website button. But yeah, I'm wearing gloves because I don't know what the heck is in that, so I just don't want it on my hands. So the best way to handle these and clean them is I'm going to do the cleaning, and I'm going to put the decals on while they're in the box, just so it's not wobbling around, because the box is going to hold them in one place really well. So, this wipe here. I've never used these wipes before, so it's kind of weird. It looks like this. It's like a sponge. Okay, so, oh, pew. Just cleaning these ears really, really good, because I'm going to be putting that decal on there. Make sure that the ears are dry before you put the decal on. So I just used the whole life of that. Now just wait for these to dry. Dries pretty fast, honestly. But yeah, don't touch it after you clean it, because a bunch of stuff will stick to it. And you don't want that, so I'm just going to close that for now so no dust gets on it while I pull out the decal. Peels off pretty easily. The little dots underneath stay there. Hopefully they all stay. Yeah. Sweet. And we're going to put this on the cat ear. So which way does it go here? You just want to make sure it's lined up with all those holes really well. So there it is. And you're going to want to do that with the other ear. Just make sure you push it down really good. Make sure it's really sticking on there. I'll put another on here. Make sure it's perfect. Okay, so now that I got those on pretty good, they seem pretty solid for the most part. You can put a little mark on your helmet where you want them to line up, but my helmet has little spots on it, so I'm just going to follow it like that. And like I said, you can just pop these up. If they're not in the right spot, you can just pick it up and move it. it's sticking on there pretty good. That's legit. Let's make sure, yeah. That looks cool. There's that other piece of tape here. There we go. I got these on pretty good. As you can see, I can lift this up still. It looks like that. But yeah, just make sure it's really pushed down. That way you don't want any fuzzy crap on any of the sticker that isn't all the way down. Because you know, you might have some gaps and some spots. Like there's like a tiny bit right there. You can see there's a little opening. But I mean, this tape is so strong, like it's just gonna stay where it's at. If you have any questions, you could just leave me a comment below. Otherwise, enjoy!